Hi, Larry here again at Chesapeake RV Solutions. This is part 4 of our conversation with Frank, our business manager. And one thing that I really didn't think about till I started hearing people that actually get this part of our value-added options. And one is a tire and wheel package.
Oh man, is that a good one there?
Oh my gosh.
Man.
It makes sense, but I didn't get it on mine.
I know.
But now that I'm thinking about it, man, I should have.
Yeah, well, you know, Larry, that's a big key you just said. I didn't get it on mine either.
Right.
And I'm just being honest with everybody because of the type of RVing we do.
Right.
You know, it's kind of one of those packages that is tailor-made for different RVers.
Right.
So if you're RVing on the road a lot and you're retired, you're going to hit, you know, state to state and this and that. What a good option.
So what exactly does the tire and wheel mean?
Okay, so you probably won't believe this, but it actually covers the wheels and tires on your tow unit too.
As well as the
RV.
RV?
Well as the RV. So not only is it going to cover the RV, it's going to cover your vehicle's tires and wheels.
Okay.
As long as you're towing now, come on. It's got to be your tow vehicle.
Okay, so say I have my truck inspected, and I have enough tread on there, but it's not a brand new tire,
though, right?
Right.
You're going to get a brand new tire.
Really?
If something happens to it while you're towing with that unit.
And even if I bent the rim or something like that?
They'll replace the exact rim that you had on there.
Wow.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It doesn't matter
It
how
gives you
old
a
the
great
tire
peace
is.
of mind now. The tire age has nothing to do with it.
Okay.
It's a protection plan to help the RVer stay on the road and keep RV.
Also, another thing, I don't like changing tires on the side of the interstate.
That's dangerous. Nobody
So-
would. Especially if you got a big 40-foot RV behind you.
Right.
That's dangerous. So let's call 1-800 number, get somebody out to you.
Okay.
Normally I think turnaround times between 30 and 45 minutes I'll have somebody out to you.
Oh my gosh, man.
I know. That's a great one.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Right. And as you know, these roads in Virginia, come on, man.
Do we ever?
Yeah. I mean,
So the first one we talked about the warranty for life that we
we
do.
do. Yes.
The second one we talked about the extended warranty or the service contract. Then we talked about the microbial spray we do on the interior, the exterior. We also do the paint treatment as well.
Correct.
And now with that tire and wheel, we got the total package here.
We do.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's nice to be able to offer that to our customers.
Yeah.
To give them the option to choose which plan
It's peace of mind.
fits their RV and style.
Right.
And we don't push it on them. We give them the option.
And that's why we give them those sheets.
100%.
Right.
Yep.
So here again, Chesapeake RV Solutions. We're here to help you create those memories that you'll talk about forever. And we don't want tire and wheel to be one of them, or service contract,
Oh,
all that.
keep those RVs pretty.
There
Get that
you
paint
go.
fab.
All right. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.